Bote Mountain Tunnel, the concrete lining was built in the 40s and it hasn't had any major maintenance on it since then. There's been a few cracks that have developed in the lining over the years and water is starting to seep into the tunnel. We get some icicles in the winter, so that starts to become a safety hazard with visitors passing through the tunnel on their way to Cades Cove. So we chose January and February as the 2 months that would least impact visitors with cutting off the traffic. So as you can see, the tunnel is doored off on either end because some of this work is temperature sensitive and we need to have temperatures above 50 degrees to be able to place the concrete back in place. The contractors are right now working on chipping the existing drains out of the wall and saw cutting to get a clean surface to put the shotcrete back. And so they'll put once they get all the concrete chipped out, they'll put new drains in the wall of the tunnel and then cover it over with shotcrete to match the finish.